Good morning, and thank you for joining us this morning. I'd like to start by reading our daily word for today, and the daily word is Mother's Blessing. The affirmation is, I honor all mothers and am grateful for their love. I bless my mother and am grateful to her for the gift of nurturing love. Whether my mother is still with me or has passed on, her love still lives in my heart, and her wisdom continues to inspire me. I am grateful for the many ways my mother has blessed me. I also feel deep appreciation and tender affection for all those who have blessed me with the selfless gift of motherly love. I would not be who I am without them. Through the living example of the mother in my life, I pass along the blessings of a mother's care and devotion as I embrace opportunities to share an affirming thought, an encouraging word, a smile, or a simple act of kindness. I honor my mother and all mothers as I share the love of God that never fails. And from Proverbs 31, verse 26, she opens her mouth with wisdom, and the teaching of kindness is on her tongue. We're going to start with a few minutes of meditation this morning, so if you would just get comfortable wherever you're seated. If you have anything in your hands, just gently laying them to the side and closing your eyes. Just withdrawing your awareness from the outside world. Turning your awareness inward to that still, small voice, the voice of God within us. Just becoming aware of your breath. Noticing where your breath is in your body. Noticing the rhythm of your breath as you breathe in and you breathe out. And begin to slow the breath down. Just imagine that there's a wave of relaxation starting at the very soles of your feet, coming up through your legs, into your abdomen, your torso, into your upper chest, your shoulders, down into the upper arms and the lower arms, the hands and the palms of the hands. And allowing that wave of relaxation to come up into the neck, washing away any tension or tightness, allowing your jaw to be slack. Just imagine your cheekbones are starting to slide towards the floor, letting go of any tension or any tightness around the eyes. And bringing that wave of relaxation to the forehead, allowing the forehead to grow very loose and relaxed. Allow all the expression to melt away from the face. And bringing that wave of relaxation up to the very top of your head, and allowing it to wash back over you in beautiful, healing white light, completely surrounding you. That light which guides you, heals you, and protects you. And as you continue to be Be aware of that protective light that surrounds you, in front of you, behind you, above you, below you, on either side of you. Bring your awareness to your heart center, at the very center of your chest. This is our spiritual home. That home of divine love. And so we open ourselves to be an expression of God's love in this world. Just as a mother's love expresses his kindness, compassion, gentle support, we open to those qualities being expressed in us, through us, and all around us. We ask you, dear God, to make us a channel for your love, so that we become a gentle and fierce expression of your good in this world. We allow that love to flow in, through, and all around us. And as we radiate that love out into the world, we allow it to bless ourselves and many around us. We are here to be expressions of God's love. And so we allow ourselves to know that wherever we are, whatever is going on in our world, that we can truly be a blessing, and in return, we are blessed. So just taking a few moments in the silence, allowing that thought of God's love expressing in you and through you. So just begin to deepen your breath. And as you deepen your breath, see yourself as that radiating light, that radiating love of God in this world. We know that whatever we focus on grows and expands. And today and throughout this week, as we focus on love, we allow the love of God to grow and expand within us. And we send that love out to our family, to to our church community, to the world, and we know that we are blessed and that we are loved. And with that, we say Amen.